Hi students, welcome to puzzle number 47. So in this question, we are going to find the answer for this question mark. Okay, the question is what is the next number? The series given is 2, 3, 5, 9, 17 and then there is a question mark. To find the answer for this, first we should observe the logic in this series. Let us see as usual the difference between first two numbers. The difference between first two numbers is 1. And then the difference between 3 and 5, that is 2, and then the difference between 5 and 9 is 4, and the next difference is 8. So that means it is keep on doubling. So 1 2, this is 2, then it is 2 into 2 4, then 4 into again 2, it is 8. If I want to find the number in this question mark, then again 8 into 2, that is 16. So 16 I need to add to this is 17 to get the next number, that is 17 and 16. Let us add these two. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is again 3. So the answer is 33. 33 is the correct answer for this question mark. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment your answer for the question which I am going to give for you guys to solve. Let us see the question for you to solve. The question is, this is the question for you guys to solve. Try to find the answer for this and comment your answer in the comment section. What is the number in this question mark that is going to come? Comment your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.